Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. Today I want to take you to route number 1 G2 test at Etobicoke Test Center. Basically there is a 2 route, but most of the time 99.9% they are taking to route number 1. So that is why I want to take you to route number 1. Route number 2, as per my experience within last year 2025, even one of my students didn't tell me that they took me to route number 1. So I park my car in reverse in G2. Whenever you are giving road test in Etobicoke Test Center, the parking lot number 1 to number 11 and number 12 to number 22, these are the best spots, because whenever you are parking here, then they are asking you go to the right or go to the left. In Etobicoke road test, they are not asking you for reverse parking, but that's why they are asking you for parallel parking. They have traffic cones or traffic pylons, so they are asking you here. Right now I'm doing parallel parking, and then once I come back, then again I will do parallel parking for you for better understanding. So if he's asking you at the beginning the parallel parking, so he's taking you asking you to go to the right if you are on the spot number 1 to number 10. If you are from the spot number 12 to number 21, so they are asking go to the left. So now I am going to the right, so shift the gear to drive, signal to the right, check all around 360 degree, checking all around, rear view mirror, all around. And then if a car is moving, wait, otherwise then you can go. So a car is moving, I need to wait for them. Slowly creep up a little bit, then turn the steering wheel to the right. So once you turn to the right, immediately put the signal to the left, because they are asking you go to the left. I don't have any stop sign here, but in case of necessary I will stop. Other car is doing parallel parking, that's why I need to slow down. So once you turn, again you need to signal to the left, mirror signal blind spot to the left. So I'm doing parallel parking. So there is no car, but the pylon is a good sign to do the parallel parking. So I can see from here 1 meter distance. For my parallel parking, shift the gear to reverse. I turn the steering wheel 3/4. 3/4, check all around. Go back, check. And once the mirror is aligned with the cone, 1, 2. I'm not turning the steering wheel to the end. Check. Yeah. Once the car get straighten the steering wheel. So once it done, shift the gear to park. Then he's asking when it is safe, proceed. Shift the gear to drive, signal, check, and go. Mostly they are taking through these entrance, one of these entrance. So I'm going through one of these entrance. So if it is snow, so they are mostly taking from the beginning, but if it is snow, they are taking from one of these entrances. So check. Turn left. Check. If a car is moving, wait. Creep up a little bit, check, and turn to the left. There is a 3-way stop sign here, so make sure you need to mirror signal blind spot. And if another car is coming from your right side, so they don't have a stop sign, you need to wait for them. Check. Slowly turn to the right. So once you turn to the right, there is an entrance. Once you cross this entrance, then check the mirror signal blind spot. So slowly come here and stop. Once you stop, check left, right. Here is pedestrian walkway. Watch out if pedestrians are walking. Here, don't rush. And some people, they fail while turning to the right. They are turning too wide. They are going to the second lane. If you go to the second lane, they're gonna fail you. So that is why you need to wait, okay? Even one car is coming, we cannot go, because anytime they can do the lane change. So now check, I'm going to the first lane. Remember, first lane. If you go to the second lane, they fail you. Push the gas. The speed is 60 here. Try to go 57, 58, 59. An intersection crossing, check it out. The pedestrian lights also helping you a lot. 80, 17, 16. So once you approach here, he is asking you lane change to the left. Control your speed, mirror signal, blind spot. That car is NFR. So I change the lane. My speed is 60. Now 58. So again here asking traffic light, left turns, rear view mirror, side view mirror signal, and then blind spot. Smoothly come to the left. So if the light is green, I can go unless another car is coming. So now there are two cars are coming, so I need to wait. Just align yourself with the other left turn, the opposite. So check blind spot and pedestrian and turn. Once you turn here, you don't need to switch to the left, to the right, because that lane is ending. We don't have a speed sign. We can go maximum 50. So here, whenever you are pushing the brake, check the rear view mirror. This is always stop, and come to the complete stop. Check left, right, and left again. Here again, the speed is 50. You can go 48, 47, 49. So once you approach to this point, he's asking traffic light, left turn, rear view mirror, left mirror signal, blind spot. Smoothly come from the left side. So if another car is in front of you, you need to have enough gap. At least you must see the two tires and a little bit of asphalt. Also, don't stop too far, because it will increase the traffic congestion. So you need to have enough space. Whenever you're stopping, check left, right. The pedestrian light is helping you a lot. Now I will get green. So check, and smoothly turn to the first left lane. Remember, first left lane. Once you turn, immediately don't switch. Push the gas, pick up the speed. My speed is 59. Check mirror signal, blind spot. Smoothly switch your line. If you don't switch your line, they will fail you because of that. Because left lane is passing line, right lane is driving line. Here he will ask you traffic light, right turn, mirror signal, and blind spot. My light is 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I cannot go because there is another car stop. My light is now amber, so another car stop here, so I need to wait for them, because their light is also so red, but I need to wait for them. Here, check blind spot. Don't go to the bike line. There is a bike line on the right. Once you come here, then increase your speed. Speed is 50 here. Check. An entrance is coming, check it. So here again, there is a short the broken lane to turn left. Mirror signal, blind spot. And from this broken line, slow down a little bit, then come to the left lane. Here he will ask you go to the left. Check. Turn to the left. Once you turn to the left, he will ask you do roadside stop, mirror signal, blind spot. Come to the left, close by snow. If there is no snow, close by curve within 30 centimeters. Once you stop, push forward flasher, shift the gear to park, handbrake. My handbrake is automatic, so I don't need to push the handbrake. So when he says when it is safe, proceed, the handbrake I don't have, shift the gear to drive, turn off forward flasher, signal to the left, check, and move. Once you move, sometimes he's asking you downhill parking or uphill parking, or sometimes 3-pointer. I'm doing 3-pointer, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come closer, and then signal to the left, check, turn the steering wheel, move. Once you come at the middle, here this street is so wide, so you don't need to go too close to the curb. Shift the gear, signal, check. Don't check only one side, you need to check all around. So once the side view mirror is at the middle of the road, shift the gear to the right, signal to the left, check, and move. So sometimes he's asking uphill or downhill parking. I'm doing downhill parking. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come close by curb. Once you come, remember, and downhill parking, turn the steering wheel one complete to the right. Some people, they are turning all the way. That is also something right, but one turn is enough. So shift the gear to park. I turn all the way. So in downhill we are turning to the right. So once he says when it's safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive. The handbrake is automatic with my car. Straighten the steering wheel, signal, check, and move. Here is a stop sign. We need to come to the complete stop. Check the rear view mirror, signal, blind spot, because we are turning to the right. So stop here, check left, right, and slowly creep up, check, and come to the right. Speed is 50, try to go 48, 47, 49, over 45 is good in this street. So here he will ask you traffic light, right turn, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Come to the complete stop. Check left, right. My light is red. I need to wait for the cars. They are coming from the left. Now after this I can go check the first right lane. And speed is here 60. So then he will ask you to switch one line to the left, mirror to the left, signal, blind spot, smoothly move to the left. He will ask you traffic light, left turn, mirror, signal, blind spot from broken line. Smoothly come to the left. It is 3, 2, 1. I can go now. If the light turns at the middle to amber, that is not something bad. Okay. So this street is so wide. I need to go to the right side because it is business area. So slowly go to the right. You don't need to put the signal to the right because it is one way going, one way coming. So you just need to drive on the right side. So check an entrance is coming, check it. So he will ask you after this traffic light, go to the left to the plaza. So I need to push the gas, push the brake and slowly stop. And while stopping, you must check the rear view mirror. Here I will wait for the other cars. Now I will get green light. Come on, check left, right. He will ask you go to the plaza, check the rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, left blind spot. Come to the left. Remember here you should be on the right side. There is two-way, it's coming and going. You don't need to block. So I don't need to put the signal here because there is no solid line at the middle. So check slowly. You have 1 meter distance from the car who is parked on the right side. So here he will ask you go to the right. If they do the parallel parking at the beginning, then they are asking you front parking. Once you turn here, mirror signal, blind spot. This car is waiting, so I can go here because I have a space. Once you turn, he will ask you to the left side. The parking is to the left side. So I will align my door with the one of this parking light. I will park here. So my middle door is here. Check, check, check. Yeah. Once you stop, then shift the gear to park. Then he will ask you, congratulations, you meet the standard of Ministry of Transportation of Ontario. Go inside and take your license. So if he don't do the parallel parking at the beginning, then he's asking you do and parallel parking there. So I'm doing parallel parking there again, just for your information. So they are taking you from this way, then he is asking you do the parallel parking. Mirror signal, blind spot. She's doing parallel parking. I need to wait. Again, mirror signal, blind spot to the right. This pylon I will count as the end of or tail of the car. Shift the gear, signal, check, check, 3/4. I'm using the 3/4 method, which I like the most. So now the pylon is straight ahead with my mirror, and turn the steering wheel, signal. If signal off, you need to signal on back. Check, 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 check. Yeah, straighten the steering wheel, turn off signal, and shift the gear to park. After this, he will ask you when it is safe proceed, and he's asking you front parking to one of those spot. Signal, check, check. From here, he's asking you front parking on the right side. Signal to the right, check, check. I will park here. Yes, at the middle. 2 lines are at the middle. Shift the gear to park. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.